Nosy. Too curious about other people's business. My neighbor is so nosy. She always asks about my personal life. Stop being so nosy. It's none of your business. Gullible. Easily fooled or tricked. He believed the scam email. He's too gullible. Don't be so gullible. Think before you trust someone. Snooty. Acting superior or arrogant. The snooty woman at the boutique looked down on us. He gave a snooty look when I mentioned my old car. Sappy. Overly emotional or sentimental. That movie was so sappy, I cried 3 times. He wrote a sappy love letter to his girlfriend. Hunky. Attractive and muscular, usually for men. She has a crush on a hunky guy at the gym. That actor is so hunky, no wonder everyone loves him. Cocky. Overconfident and arrogant. He's talented, but his cocky attitude annoys everyone. Don't be so cocky, you haven't won the competition yet. Gangly. Tall, thin, and awkward. As a teenager, he was gangly and always tripped over his feet. The gangly boy struggled to find clothes that fit. Scruffy. Messy, untidy, or dirty in appearance. He looked scruffy with his unshaven beard and wrinkled shirt. That scruffy dog needs a bath. Pudgy. Slightly fat or chubby. The pudgy baby had the cutest chubby cheeks. He used to be pudgy as a kid but got fit later. Welly. Clever and tricky, often in a sneaky way. The wily businessman negotiated the best deal. She's too wily to fall for such a simple trick. Coy. Pretending to be shy or modest to attract attention. She gave a coy smile before answering. Don't be so coy. Just tell us what happened. Grouchy. Easily annoyed or in a bad mood. My grandpa is always grouchy before his morning coffee. Stop being so grouchy. It's a beautiful day. Snarky. Sarcastic and slightly rude. His snarky comments made everyone uncomfortable. She gave a snarky response instead of a polite answer. Meddlesome. Interfering in other people's business. My meddlesome aunt always tells me how to live my life. He's so meddlesome, always giving advice nobody asked for. Jittery. Nervous or unable to relax. I always feel jittery before a big presentation. He was jittery after drinking too much coffee. Loopy. Acting silly or slightly crazy. After staying up all night, she felt completely loopy. His loopy sense of humor always makes people laugh. Tetchy. Easily annoyed or sensitive. Be careful what you say, he's feeling tetchy today. She gets tetchy when people criticize her cooking. Pompous. Acting self-important or arrogant. The pompous professor loved hearing himself talk. He gave a pompous speech about his success. Sullen. Quietly in a bad mood. He sat in the corner, looking sullen and annoyed. After losing the game, she became sullen and refused to talk. Pigeon-toed. Walking with toes pointing inward. The little boy was pigeon-toed, making him look clumsy. She used to be pigeon-toed but fixed it with therapy. Bandy-legged. Having legs that curve outward. The bandy-legged cowboy walked into the saloon. His bandy-legged stance gave him a unique look. Gap-toothed. Having a noticeable space between teeth. The gap-toothed girl smiled brightly. He used to be gap-toothed before getting braces.